I just want to show y'all what I'm wearing to Starbucks. So this is how much I love pink. I have pink. These are Uggs. These are actually Uggs. I love them so much. They're so comfortable. And then pink pajama pants, so cozy. Pink hoodie, and guess what? Guess what? Let me show y'all. A pink shirt. What does that tell you? That tells you that even though I swear I don't like pink, I love pink. Hey guys, so I actually was just in the middle of recording another video, and then I realized that I never did a furnished apartment tour. So this is that video, my Dallas luxury furnished apartment tour. My apartment's rent is about $10.50 a month. So this is what you will get in Dallas for a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. If you're young like me and you're single and you don't have any kids, I think this is perfect, especially for a starter apartment. So yeah, let's get into this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment, follow my Instagram at @theamanicollins, and let's get into it. So when you first come into my apartment, you have the front door. So this is the front door, and then if you're coming into the door on the left, you have the laundry room, and I'll show you the laundry room. It's like, it's not all of that. So I have my washer, my dryer. This is my dog stuff. This is just extra towels and washcloths. I have my luggage because I travel. I have more luggage, tennis shoes, just, you know, just extra storage room. And then you have some shelving over there. And then, so that's on the left. And then on the right is the kitchen area. Oh yeah, I have my dog stuff there, my trash can. And then on the kitchen, you know, it's just the basic kitchen stuff. My fridge, I don't have much in there. Sink, what is this, countertop. You have the microwave, the stove, you have some extra cabinet space. This is just my dog stuff and my mail. And then, so that's on the right. So the front door is here, the laundry room is here, the kitchen is here, and then if you walk straight, you have the living room. So this is my living room. I have my couch, my little portraits or whatever. I have my lamp in the corner, just a little, you know, little centerpiece table, my dog, a chair, and then a plant, my TV area. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I am a very minimalist person. I don't like too much stuff in my way. I don't like too much stuff in my place. So yeah, so back to the front door. If you walk straight, you have the kitchen and then living room, and then the second door on the left is the bathroom. So come on in the bathroom. You have the toilet. This is the carpet I have. The shower, and my shower is actually really big. Like, it's actually pretty big. And then you have the closet. Let me show you my closet. So here is my closet. It's kind of junky, don't judge it. It's kind of junky, and my camera is like yellow right now, but yeah, so I just have my shoes, and you know. Then if you go through the bathroom, you have the bedroom. For me, my bedroom is my favorite part because of the high ceilings. But yeah, my bed is pretty simple. I have a mirror, I have another plant. If you can't tell by now, I love plants. The TV, and then I have a little, oh, I love my bedroom. I have my like workspace here. And then yeah, this is like my favorite spot, my favorite part. So so here is the bedroom, the high ceilings, and then it's honestly my favorite part. And then you have the bathroom, and then through the bathroom is to the kitchen, and that was the closet I showed y'all. And yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty straight to the point and cute. I don't know why I never did a furnished apartment tour, but here it is. But yeah, And then this is the laundry room again. And yeah, I have a nosy dog. I don't know if y'all know, but the cost of living in Dallas is much cheaper than pretty much anywhere else. You cannot find a 1-bedroom, 1-bath like apartment from where I'm from for this cheap. Probably nothing less than 13 you'll find back in Maryland, especially like any other of the popular states. I know for a fact it's not this cheap, so that's why I feel like a lot of people are moving to Texas. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you need an apartment locator for Dallas, let me know, because I know one of the best apartment locators. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. I just wanted to make a disclaimer that I am gonna be moving in the next 3 months. But I just remembered that I didn't do a furnished apartment tour, so I really wanted to make sure I give you guys a furnished Dallas apartment tour. So this is why you guys are just getting this video right now. But yes, I am still moving in like 3 months. So I didn't want you guys to get it confused as to why I'm just doing my furnished apartment tour. But yeah, like I said in the video, this is basically what you'll get for you know, $1,000 in Dallas. So cheap yet so luxurious. I think that my apartment is perfect for one person or even 2 people. But yeah, I hope you guys loved it. And Bailey says hi. And yeah, we are almost there. Make sure you guys like, make sure you guys comment, make sure you guys share. I really think that I want to start doing, I want to do a your first apartment series, basically where I tell you guys like what to look for your first apartment. Come on. Basically, I want to do a series on like things to know when you're moving out of state for the first time, when you're getting your first apartment, when you're living on your own, bills you have to pay, stuff like that. Because I didn't really know until I did it. Like, I didn't know the things that I needed to pay for. I didn't know the things that I needed to look out for when I got my first apartment. But now that I got, and I have been in my very first apartment for like what, 2 years now, I pretty much know what I want in my next apartment. So that's something that I want you guys to know and look out for. There's a few things that now that I have like set and settled into this apartment that I know that I don't want in my next apartment, or I do want in my next apartment. So yeah, let me know below if you guys want that, because I think that'll be a great, you know, kind of series on my channel. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, like, comment, share, follow my Instagram at @TheAmaniCollins, and I'll be back for another video. Bye guys.